Future Quoth here. This video is gonna be 2 hours long, but it will be edited down to about 8 minutes. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Goodbye.
Alright, let's get start mining.
I'm gonna go get an extra bucket for an infinite source. Where's the exit?
Okay. Exit's over here. Water acquired. Zombie killed. Zombie attack.
We have an infinite water source here.
Yay, infinite water. I'm just doing the outline of what we have to mine. So you start breaking some blocks over there. See that big chunk over there?
Yep.
Start mining that.
There's some trees here.
Wait, how much leather do we have? We have...
I have 5.
Oh wait, I forgot I added this, but I'm not sure if it worked.
What?
No, it didn't work. I added a thing where you could, like, melt rotten flesh in a thing to make leather. Let me check adding this. We'll see why it didn't work. Oh wait, that means the copper powered rails doesn't work either, and
But the heavy diamond sword works.
no, that works. Wait, if I do that, and then this, load file. Okay. Yes.
I guess it works now. Look in the furnace.
I only added this one, I didn't fix the copper one.
I guess a bit of XP too.
Which means we should get a zombie and skeleton spawner, because it would be useful.
What would skeleton?
And if there was a way to get like, infinite coal. Oh, carpet dupers! What we do is we make skeleton XP spawner thing. We're the people sweeping at their legs. When the things drop, it goes into a thing that goes into a furnace that automatically cooks it, which has a carpet duper running connected to it, and then it would be like infinite stuff as long as the player's there attacking. Now the stairs for me look a bit weird because they're not smooth like the polished stuff, but how does that look to you?
Looks nice. Except this wood part kind of ruins it. Maybe making it
I mean, yeah, but if you look at it from this angle, it kind of makes sense. Anyway, I also need to show you something else. We're gonna see which one looks better. Which one would you rather? Not gonna lie, I actually kind of like the brick one.
Yeah, the brick one looks better when it comes to stairs.
Which means, I reckon we just have to paint the floor up here. But you don't have to do that, you can leave it. Oh, yeah, we need to discuss about this. Are we leaving the wood stump there?
Oh, this?
Yeah.
This fell. It kinda looks good, but it'll look.
Because I'm thinking of kind of this space. I'm thinking of the space to be kind of like a medieval kind of dwarf kind of style thing, if you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
Which means I'm thinking it would look better if it was a different type of log, like spruce or dark oak. Which, personally, I think dark oak would look better.
And where would we even find a dark oak forest?
Let me do some math on the F3 thing. Wait, what's our coordinates? Or yours? I just need to do some math.
Mine is. I'll put it in chat.
Okay.
Including Y, right?
No, I don't need Y. You don't need the points, but that's good. I think there should be one, if I did my calculations correct, here. So let's go to those coordinates and see if I was right. Well, I'm not there yet, so I'm not sure if there's a dark forest there. Are you killing chickens?
Yep.
I hear a chicken. Oh no, shot, there's actually a forest. Can you sleep actually? Can you please sleep?
I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, but as always, until next video, I hope y'all enjoy. Goodbye.